Hello, and welcome to the Cosmic Sleep Science. Tonight, we'll be drifting through the magnificent forces of nature, exploring the hidden machinery of the universe, and the deep laws that guide every movement in the cosmos. These forces are as ancient as creation itself, and just as mysterious. All around you, unseen powers are at work. They are quiet, relentless, and everywhere at once. They bind the stars, hold atoms together, and choreograph the dance of galaxies and dust alike. You can't see them, but you can feel their pull in every moment. They are the silent sculptors of reality, the reason the universe holds together instead of flying apart. From the gentle tug that keeps your feet on the ground to the cosmic threads that shape time and space themselves, these forces connect everything that has ever existed. If you enjoy these quiet journeys, I invite you to like, subscribe, or share a thought below. It helps other weary souls find their way here, one at a time. But for now, all you need to do is relax. Allow your breathing to slow and your mind to grow still. Let's begin. Did you know? There's a force that shapes the entire universe, that holds galaxies in its grip, and yet, you can defeat it easily just by lifting your hand. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? This is gravity. We feel like gravity is strong because it keeps the vast oceans from floating off into the sky and holds the moon in its loyal orbit around us. But honestly, compared to the other heavyweights of the universe, it's astonishingly weak. The simple act of raising your arm uses electromagnetic force in your muscles that is trillions of times stronger than the gravitational pull of the entire planet Earth. So, here's the question. How can such a weak force possibly rule the universe? The answer is simple. It only ever attracts. It never repels, and it never cancels out. Every single particle in the cosmos is sending out a gravitational invitation to every other particle. This means every planet, star, and galaxy adds its own pull to this invisible cosmic web. It's this quiet, stubborn persistence that makes gravity the ultimate king on the grandest of scales. This is perhaps the universe's most fascinating paradox. The weakest force is precisely the one that holds everything together. It's a whisper of attraction, almost imperceptible, yet it binds reality across billions of light years, from the smallest grain of sand to the most colossal cluster of galaxies. Imagine you're standing just outside the Milky Way, watching it slowly turn. You'd see hundreds of billions of stars, like dancers at a grand ball, elegantly circling an unseen center. And the one guiding all their steps is the patient, gentle hand of gravity. Now, I'm about to tell you something that might just blow your mind. It's not just planets and stars. Even you, right here, right now, are warping the entire universe. Don't laugh. This isn't science fiction. Einstein's theory tells us that anything with mass, no matter how small, causes the space-time around it to curve. Yes, Your body's mass is slightly altering the path of photons passing by. The bed you're lying on, the walls of your room, every speck of dust floating in the air. They're all pressing their own tiny, almost infinitesimal dents into the great fabric of space-time. Though these distortions are unimaginably small, they are real, and they ripple outwards forever. They are the faint signature of your existence, quietly written into the structure of the cosmos. So, in a way, gravity isn't something you feel, it's something you create. You are part of the very fabric that connects galaxies and pulls moons through the darkness. Doesn't that make you feel incredibly important, just for a moment? Gravity doesn't just warp space, it can also bend light. This turns our universe into a giant, natural telescope. When a beam of light passes near a massive object, like a galaxy cluster, it follows the track that space-time has curved. It's like a train naturally following a bend in the railway. This effect is called gravitational lensing. It can magnify, distort, and even create multiple ghostly duplicates of light from far more distant, ancient galaxies. It's thanks to these cosmic, magnifying glasses that astronomers can peer into the secrets of the early universe, seeing light that was emitted billions of years ago. Sometimes, a single beam of light might even loop around a galaxy several times before reaching us. Just think, even light, the fastest thing in the universe, must bow its proud head before the geometry shaped by gravity. Now, imagine the universe as a vast, calm ocean of space-time. What happens when two massive objects, like black holes, spiral into each other and collide? They create a cosmic tsunami. These space-time tsunamis are gravitational waves, vibrations in the very fabric of reality. When two black holes merge, they stretch and squeeze everything in their path. The effect is actually tiny, less than 1,000th of the width of a proton. But the wildest part is, we humans have actually built detectors sensitive enough to feel it. In 2015, we heard for the first time a faint chirp from two merging black holes over 1 billion light-years away. It confirmed Einstein's prediction from a century earlier. It turns out, space-time isn't silent. It can ring like a bell, and the universe is full of its echoes. And did you know? In the fraction of a second that two black holes collide, they can release more energy than every star in the observable universe combined. But it's not released as light. It's released as gravitational waves, shaking reality itself. After the collision, all that's left is absolute silence. But the memory of that moment, its ripples, will race across the cosmos forever. Here's a fact that might change how you think about time. In stronger gravity, time itself slows down. This means your head is genuinely aging faster than your feet. It sounds like something from a fantasy novel, but it was discovered by Einstein. Gravity bends not only space, but also time. The stronger the gravitational field, the slower time flows. Here on Earth, a clock on a mountaintop runs slightly faster than a clock in a basement. And for your own body, because your head is farther from the Earth's center, it ages a few nanoseconds faster than your feet every year. The effect is minuscule, but the GPS satellites we use every day must correct for it, or the navigation would send you straight into a ditch. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extreme, where seconds can stretch into centuries. There is no single, universal clock in the cosmos. The flow of time in every corner is tailor-made by the local curvature of space-time. Speaking of astronauts, why do they float in space? Is it because there's no gravity? Quite the opposite. At the altitude of the International Space Station, gravity is almost as strong as it is on the ground. They become weightless because they, along with the station, are in a state of perpetual, perfect free fall toward Earth. It's like a never-ending chase game. As they fall, the curve of the Earth falls away from them at the exact same rate. So, they are forever falling, but they never hit the ground. This delicate balance between velocity and gravity is the very definition of an orbit. It's a silent dance between speed and pull. Gravity never lets go. It just finds a new way to make you fly. Now, let's shift from the grand scale of gravity to another force that's everywhere: electromagnetism. Every spark you see, every beat of your heart, even the thought you're having right now, stems from it. Electricity, magnetism, and light are all just different faces of the same coin. The electrical signals flashing through the neurons in your brain are, fundamentally, the same phenomenon as the flow of plasma that powers the stars. The force that builds galaxies also whispers inside your mind. And when charged particles from the sun strike Earth's magnetic field, a magnificent light show begins, the aurora. Each color represents a different gas dancing with the solar storm. Green is oxygen. Purples and blues are nitrogen. This isn't just beauty, it's our planet's magnetic shield protecting us. If electromagnetism is the artist of the universe, then the strong nuclear force is its bedrock. It's the most powerful force known, 100 times stronger than electromagnetism. Inside the core of every atom, positively charged protons are crammed together, and they should be repelling each other violently. What stops them from blowing everything apart? The strong force. It acts like a kind of superglue, working only over incredibly short distances, but holding them together with immense strength. But the strangest thing, its quirk, is that the more you try to pull it apart, the stronger it gets. Like an unbreakable rubber band. And the vast majority of your body's mass doesn't come from the particles that make you up, but from the tremendous energy contained in these rubber bands. You are, in fact, made of trapped energy. Finally, let's meet the most humble, yet crucial force, the weak nuclear force. Without it, the universe would be stuck with only hydrogen. Stars would never ignite, and life would be impossible. It's the weak force that allows particles to change their identity, letting a neutron turn into a proton. This kicks off the chain reactions inside stars, forging the carbon and oxygen that make up your very being. It's like a cosmic alchemist, silently transforming matter, driving the radioactive decay deep inside the Earth that provides our geothermal heat and sustains our protective magnetic field. Every single atom in your body was once touched and shaped by its invisible hands, inside the core of an ancient star. Gravity shapes the cosmos into form. Electromagnetism makes it shine with light. The strong force builds the core of matter, and the weak force gives everything the potential to change and evolve. These four forces, in a breathtaking harmony we are still trying to fully understand, compose the grand symphony of reality. So now, as you close your eyes, feel the weight of your body. That is gravity embracing you, and it is also you embracing the universe. Feel your steady breath and heartbeat. That is electromagnetism playing the music of life within you. And every atom that makes you carries the ancient memory of the strong and weak forces from the heart of a star billions of years ago. You are not separate from this world. You are deeply, intrinsically connected to the most profound laws of the cosmos. Now, in the embrace of these magnificent and silent forces, just let go. Good night.